Out of Arkansas, where a federal judge has now struck down the state's ban on gender-affirming care for minors. We just got the ruling. You see it here. Remember, Arkansas was the first state to stop doctors from giving these treatments to transgender kids. They overrode a veto from the then governor and now Republican presidential candidate Asa Hutchinson back in 2021. The judge says the ban violates the First and 14th Amendment rights for trans kids in the state. Vaughn Hillyard is joining us now. Okay, so Vaughn, let me step back. Let me put this into context. Right. The reason why this decision matters and the reason why this was so closely watched is because this is the sort of first decision to come down on a wave of laws that have been passed in mostly conservative states that restrict care for trans kids. Now you've got a federal judge basically saying you cannot do this. Walk us through the implications.
Right. The biggest implication, Hallie, is the fact that trans youth and their families around the country have been awaiting this ruling and watched it come down after more than 2 years of it playing out in the court system. As you said, Arkansas was the first state legislator to enact this into law back in 2021. I was talking to a trans youth in nearby Tennessee this spring. She told me that she was watching when Arkansas overrode Asa Hutchinson's veto at the time. Asa Hutchinson, a Republican, said that they went too far because the law enacted in Arkansas, it banned not only puberty blockers and other hormone treatment, but also surgery for trans youth. And what you have seen play out is 19 other states since pass similar types of restrictions here. And what you have now is a federal judge make a ruling that permanently bans the state from enacting these sorts of restrictions. Now, if you see in the judge's ruling, Judge James Moody Jr. writes, quote, rather than protecting children or safeguarding medical ethics, the evidence showed that the prohibited medical care improves the mental health and well-being of patients, and that by prohibiting it, the state undermined the interests it claims to be advancing. The governor, Sarah Huckabee Sanders, said that the state attorney general will be appealing to the Eighth Circuit Court of Appeals. Hallie.
Vaughn, with respect to your position as a political reporter and not a legal analyst, right, can you help us understand at all, is there something to be drawn from this as we look at the bigger picture of this GOP push to ban gender-affirming care for trans kids? In other words, can this ruling be extrapolated to suggest that perhaps there will be other legal challenges for some of these other laws in other states?
Right. This ruling applies only to Arkansas. Other judges have put temporary holds on legislatures' laws. But Republicans nationally, including Donald Trump, Ron DeSantis, have thrusted trans-affirming care for minors front and center of the presidential campaign here. It usually ignites the largest receptions at Republican rallies here, and they make the case that they're trying to protect children under the age of 18 from making life-altering decisions. Now, to be clear, the regret rate is extremely, extremely low among trans youth as they grow older here. But when you're talking about the potential repercussions politically, you know, there's talks about bans at the federal level. That is what Donald Trump has suggested, that if he were to get into the White House again, he'd press. Of course, that is where you come to a head between what potentially a Congress, a Republican Congress, would pass with what the courts are now ruling. This is just the beginning of what we could expect to be a long, drawn-out legal battle here, Hallie.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.